Welcome to Animal Quest Explorers. Today we are learning all about parakeets and parrots. Do you know where parakeets originally came from? Australia? Did you know parakeet eyes change colour as they grow older? Babies have dark eyes, but adults often have white or light rings around their pupils. Did you know parakeets are also called budgies? Parakeets use their beaks like a third hand to climb and hold things. All right, ready to learn about parrots? Did you know that macaws are parrots? Parrots can live for a long time, some for more than 50 years. Parrots eat a variety of foods. Their favourites are fruits, seeds, nuts and vegetables. Parrots are very smart and can solve puzzles, open cages and learn tricks. Parrots have very good vision and can even see ultraviolet light, which humans can't see. So now that you've learned all about parrots and parakeets, it's time for the big question. What's the difference between the two? Well, parrots are way bigger and they have sharper beaks. Parakeets are much smaller and have a brightly coloured nose. Parakeets usually have more slender bodies and longer tails. Parrots tend to have stockier bodies, larger heads and stronger beaks. All right, ready for quiz time? Pause the video and try to answer the questions. I hope you learned something new. Goodbye, parrots and parakeets.